Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharrm Premium for January 2021. Honestly, this box has seen better days. It got kind of beat up in shipping. There's a whole bunch of like stuff on it. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of nasty. So yeah. If you like this video while you're watching, a thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not yet, please hit subscribe. And if you have any comments while you're watching, leave those down below. I love to hear from you all. Let's go ahead and get into the Boxycharrm Premium box. I did cut it open, but I haven't really looked in here to see what all's in here before filming. So, do have a little card here. That is what it all looks like. Let's see what I got this month in my Boxycharrm Premium. I've seen some videos pop up from like Just Ann and Abadabs and a couple other people that I watch that they were a little disappointed in this. I didn't watch their videos because I wanted to open my box before I watched their videos to see what they thought. I'm going to do that after I open this and see what's going on. I will say this, the bottom of the box has like an inch piece of cardboard underneath here. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. Can you guys see that? That's like an inch piece of cardboard to keep like all the products lifted, because it definitely doesn't need this size box for the stuff that's in here. So let's go ahead and see what we've got going on. Do I have my products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do have 6 products, so that's at least good. 6 products? Yeah, 6 products. Okay, the theme is Fresh Start this month. I do have it in the code on the box is C2101202-PM. Don't know what that means, but that's the code at the bottom of the card. Yeah. I think my husband's outside on his lawnmower. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that the camera's picking that up or that the microphone's picking that up. But if it is, I don't know what he's doing. He's just, I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. Let's go ahead and get into the products, shall we? Okay, so let's pull this out right here. It is the first thing right on top. This is from PMD and Beauty, PMD Beauty. It is the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. Ooh, that is what it looks like. So this is from PMD Beauty. It's makeup removing cloth. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. I've never heard that before. There are the other makeup removing cloths, which I have somewhere around here. But I've never heard of one from PMD Beauty, and I've never heard of it being infused with silver. So that's interesting. I do like these from time to time. Honestly, I just don't always remember to use them, but they are really good. Like I said, I've used the other brand that is more common that you see everywhere. Anyway, let's keep going. I have a little bottle here. What is this bottle? Ooh, it's the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Looks like it's aerosol. It is. It has a floral scent to it. Let's see what it says. The sprayer is really nice though. The only other item that I have that's a setting spray that has that kind of sprayer is the one from, oh, what is it called? All right, I'm having a really bad brain day. I can't remember what it is, but it's the black bottle. It's the brand that like everybody collaborates with. I don't know, whatever. Let's keep going. The Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. It's gonna come to my, like, as soon as the Morphe, the Morphe one. There you go. I knew it was there. I just couldn't get it out. Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Does anybody else have those problems? Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just like losing my mind. Anyway, prepare to be obsessed with this ultra fine, continuous vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural, radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. MSRP on this is $23. I'm not sure if I told you that the PMD facial removing cloth, makeup removing cloth is $30. So, all right, keep moving. Okay, this I'm actually excited to give a try. This is from Lashes MD. It's Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. That's what it looks like. And this is the, wait a minute. Are these the same? I think so. This says it's like the packaging says it's a conditioner. On here, it says it is the eyelash growth serum. I'm assuming they're the same thing. I don't know. I'm assuming so. I definitely don't need any more eyebrows. That's what it looks like. So this says, this is the Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum, a lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier eyelashes and brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner, nourishing formula, is specifically designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. Apply this eyelash enhancer once a day, encouraging longer and healthier lashes. I actually do have pretty long lashes. I just don't have a lot of depth to them, or again, with words. What is my problem with words today? I just cannot remember. Volume. That's the word. I don't have a lot of volume in my lashes. As you can tell from the mascara that I put on today, which is not really doing much for me at all. It's just making my light brown eyelashes black. But it's not really giving me length. It's not really giving me volume. It is a very expensive mascara, which luckily I got in a beauty box and I did not pay for, because I would have been really, upset if I had paid the price for this mascara that they asked for it, because it's not very good. $69.95, by the way. That is crazy. Is that how much they usually cost? All right. Next up, let's pull this out. This is from Laura Mercier. This is a caviar eye stick. Let's see what shade it is. Ginger. Creamy eyeshadow stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant. Okay. That is the shade. It's almost identical to my skin tone. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it's a matte shade as well. So it's literally like, this would almost just be like an eye primer for me, because it's almost identical to my skin shade. 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant for a long-lasting finish. MSRP is $29. Like I said, for me, this would almost just be like a primer. There you go. Next up is from Summer Fridays. This is the Jet Lag Mask. Okay. Oh, it's just like folded over. I was not expecting that. I don't know if it got beat up in the Can you guys see how messed up that is? Maybe it just got beat up when it got sent to me. I don't know. But that's something right there. It got pretty beat up. All right. So life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. MSRP is $48. That's an expensive mask. All right, there's one more item in here as well. It is from Ofra. This is the Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Well, it's kind of powdered up a little bit, but... Oh, okay, there's like a cover. It looks like that bronze shade right there, which looks like it's called Ambition, just kind of got mixed a little bit too much. It's pretty. I guess I'm going to drop it. This is probably like a bronzer and a blush and then the highlighter and then eyeshadows. That's pretty much what I would use them for. Let's see what it says. The Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals. Featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights, this lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. MSRP is $39. So that's pretty cool that it's interchangeable. That's nice. So, but it did get really powdery. I don't know if that's picking up on camera how much powder is on the plastic, but it is definitely powdery. And I like that it says, "Smile, you are beautiful." That's nice. All right. In my box this month, I got the Ofra palette, the Summer Fridays mask, the Laura Mercier caviar stick, the Lashes MD conditioner, the Maracuja Miracle Mist from Tarte, and the Silver Pure Silver Infused Makeup Removing Cloth. Overall, I think this was okay. My box cost $35. The Boxycharrm Premium is $35. So I don't think this is a bad box at all in any way, shape, or form. I think I got my value in it because I will definitely use some of these products. That facial setting mist seems like it's going to be really, really nice. I'm definitely going to give the Ofra Cosmetics eyeshadow palette a try. I'm going to definitely use the makeup removing. So overall, other than the mask, because I have so many masks, I have to start masking. That's my problem. But other than the mask, everything else is pretty cool. The shade of the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, I'm a little bit disappointed in just because it's literally just, like I said, it's more of just like a an eyeshadow primer for me is what I'll use it for. But overall, I'm pleased with it. I think I got $35, definitely value out of this box. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think of my premium box? Did you guys get something different? I would love to hear what you guys got. And if you like this video, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not yet, please hit subscribe. It does help me out, and come back to watch future videos. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.